Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have an HTML file and an image. Start by wrapping text and image in a single container element. Give that container display, Flex, which immediately lines items side by side. Once done, assign sizes. Set the image wrapper to a fixed width or 40% and the text area to 60% or Flex 1, so the browser knows how to split space. Make sure to remove default margins on body and set box sizing. Border box for predictable sizing. Once basic side-by-side layout exists, refine alignment and scaling. Use align items, center to vertically center the image and text, or align items, Flex start for top alignment. Make images responsive with max width, 100% and height, auto so they never overflow their container. If you need space between elements, use gap, 16px or margin on the image wrapper rather than margins on each child. This keeps layout predictable across screen sizes and prevents overlap. Finish by making the layout responsive. Add a media query that switches the container to Flex direction. Column at narrow width so text stacks above or below the image. Test with various images and long paragraphs to confirm wrapping and spacing. If things go wrong, inspect the element for overflow, hidden or incorrect box sizing. Make sure Flex basis and max width values don't conflict. One quick troubleshooting tip. Toggle outline. 1px solid hotbink on containers to reveal exact sizing and catch unexpected padding or margins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.